Hello, everybody, boys and girls, children of all ages. Eli the Barber coming right at you, talking to you about one of my ways of doing skin fade. I know there's a lot of ways of doing skin fade, but let me tell you something. This one is the most fundamental, okay? And the reason why I like to do a straight line across. I mean, I drop it down a little bit on the back. This is a mid-range skin fade. You also have the low skin fade, which I will bring you that in the future, and a high skin fade, that military type or police type. You know, they're like the high skin. All right. So this one is a mid-range. Is the most common one, and with the mirror I look to the front to make sure both sides are equal, both sides are the same, not one higher than the other, and I drop it down on the back a little bit, but I still make sure it's dropped down kind of even. All right, now this is my guideline. After this is done, I don't need to look at the mirror anymore. All right, I created this guideline with the 0 from the big clipper. All right, not with the edgers or trimmers. They are not made for that. The trimmers are not made to go through bulk, so don't use them for that. They're only made to for edging, for lineup. All right, for beard lineup, etc. But the only way you can do the starting point skin fade with the 0 from the big clipper, you'll have to have a Bronze Series 9. The Bronze Series 9 is a shaver that can shave up to 0.5. Okay, so that helps a lot. You are skipping a big step on the starting point. And then once that's done, okay, you fade up with I like to use the 1.5 clipper and the fading 1.5 clipper and the fading half clipper. Those two clippers are try to get used those two. Okay, try not to use so much the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. This is a 2 right here because I'm blending the 4. He got a 4 on top. All right, and I blended with the 2.5, but I'm back with the fading guards, which is the half guard and the 1.5 guard. Okay, those 2 guards are going to be 90% of the fade. Try to get used to using those 2, and you see how your fade is going to be more blend, more faster, more easier, etc., etc. Okay, if you are a type of barber that likes to use the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for fading, it's gonna take you longer, you're gonna work harder, and I mean, just try to get used to the 2 fading guards attachments, okay, half and 1.5. all right, and I don't like, I mean, a lot of barbers likes to use the comb while they're fading. I like to use the brush while I'm fading because I'm cleaning the skin, okay? That way I can see the fade, I can see what I'm doing, and at the end, everything is nice and blend, and everything is well blended and faded and all that. Always use the mirror, okay, to be the judge of yourself, okay? Do not use your eyes because they can lie to you, but mirror never lies to you. This is Eli the Barber coming right at you. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that bell button, and sayonara, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your support.